guys, it's Tanya M and I'm back, period. I will be doing a voiceover as you see my little sunshine behind me. But I have a new wig review from Luvmehair. You know they always come in with the bangers, the switch it up, the easy throw on go styles. And this is no different. This is a 22-inch pre-styled, pre-layered, pre-cut 5x5 closure unit. They gave me a bunch of lovely goodies as usual. Okay, so here's the lovely wig. It reminds me a lot of the sensational synthetic wig, the Ocean Wave unit. This is 22 inches. It does come as long as 28 inches. It comes with the extra band sewn in the cap so that you can make sure she is secured. She's pre-cut. That is optional service that they offer. And I love the way it's cut because it's not straight. You know, it's very, it's rigid, which is what you want when you're cutting your lace. I'm tinting my cap. This is a closure unit, so I'm only going to tint the center section of my wig cap with my foundation. And I'm also just going to add some makeup to the actual lace just to help it blend in with my complexion. I was showing y'all, look at the knots are pre-bleached, guys. Like, there's no work needed with this wig whatsoever. The hairline is pre-plucked as well, and you will see that. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps and throw her on. You're gonna see how easy it is. It's like 1, 2, 3. And that's why I love Luvmehair. These wigs are perfect for beginners, and the hair quality is great. Like, you're getting a bang for your buck. People like to not spend a lot of money on wigs. They get the Amazon wigs, but it's so much you have to do. And that's why they're so cheap, because you have to do all the extra work. LUVME does all the work for you. So once you get her, you just take her out of the box and throw her on. I am just going ahead with extra makeup around the hairline. So look, once I do that, this blends flawlessly. You do not have to glue this unit down. Just what I did, and I did it off camera, is I just took a hot comb, and just flattened out the top to my liking, and it was perfect. Like, it was voila. If you're liking this video and you want more wig reviews like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. And go ahead and follow me on my social media networks, TikTok, Instagram. All that will be linked in the description box below. Look how easily this brush flows through the hair. I thought brushing it was going to brush out the curls, but no, this hair holds some curls. Okay, this is some high quality hair because it will hold those curls. One of the reasons why I love LUVME, like, they never fail me with the quality of the hair. But thanks for watching, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Let them know that Tanya M is on YouTube with the hookup, showing you the best wigs to purchase. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my final review. Hi guys, so thank you for watching that mini tutorial. Of course, it was so easy to throw on this wig and go. Excuse little man in the background. I'm a mother. What can you do? You know, I gotta make the reviews regardless. Let me pump my chair up. But yeah, this wig, like, I wasn't gonna speak because, as you can hear from my voice, I'm hoarse. I'm trying to get over a cold. But this is probably one of the best wigs that LUVME has sent me. The fact that it is the lace is pre-cut, that's actually optional. If you don't like the lace being pre-cut, they don't have to do it for you, but they have the option to do it for you. And knots are bleached. The edges are plucked. The curl pattern, mind you, I want to say this. I've been meaning to record this review, so I took the wig out of the pack probably like a few days ago. And I'm like, why did I do that? Because the curls are probably going to drop. No, they did not drop. This hair holds a curl. So if you want to recurl this wig, my only fear is that I'm not gonna get it as perfectly curled as this. But oh my gosh, like this curl pattern is so gorgeous. It reminds me of the Sensational Ocean Wave, but human hair. So you know she's gonna look, and then the hair quality is, oh my gosh, there's no words. Like the hair quality on this wig, and I'm not even pump faking. Like I'm not chatting. Like this hair is so pretty. It's soft. You can tell that it holds the curl because this curl has not dropped. It don't have no product on the hair. This is reusable. It's glueless, and like I have a small peanut head, and this lays flush to my head. And out of all the wigs that I reviewed that are glueless, LUVME has the best ones. I reviewed some other wigs from like some other, I'm not gonna mention the names, but some other companies, and the hair, like the it's glueless, but by circumference it doesn't really match because I have a small head. And this one actually lays flush to my head. Like you don't even have a big head to wear their glueless wigs. I am overall, I really wasn't even going to talk on this tutorial because I do sound horrible. But overall, I'm 100% impressed by this hair. Y'all gotta run and get this. Like if you're looking for quality hair, of course, you know, there's always, like I am an affiliate for LUVME. I always review their wigs. I have a discount code in the description box if you're worried about, you know, financial situations. I also have, I think they have a payment plan option. I'm not 100% sure, but most of these wig companies now know, you know, that flex payment, that afterpay, that Klarna, Sizzle, all of that, like Sizzle. You can make payments. This wig is so pretty. Like y'all gotta get this, hands down. That's all I gotta say. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I post photos and reels of the wig. More content so you get to know me better on TikTok, especially, you know. What else can I say? Oh, don't forget to follow my beauty brand, 1111 Beauty. I sell 100% mink lashes, like the pair I'm wearing now. These my favorite pair. They're the Tanja lashes. And I also post my resale wigs on this too. So if you're looking for some wigs that I've reviewed and you want to purchase it for a discounted price, look on there, okay? Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.